Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best portable air conditioners.
Starting at number 5.
LG 7000 BTUs. We're huge fans of LG's latest product offerings, from its Evo G4 and Evo C4 OLED TVs, to the LG Wash Combo appliance, which is a washer and dryer in one unit, and the Cinebeam Q portable projector. But even if you're not invested in the LG ecosystem, you can still take advantage of this 7000 BTU portable air conditioner. This portable air conditioner is ideal for cooling rooms up to 300 square feet. It features 2 cooling fan speeds and a 24-hour timer. The auto swing air vent helps direct the flow of air where it's needed. And if there is a power outage, the auto restart feature will automatically turn your unit back on when power is restored. This portable device is on rolling casters, so it's easily moved between rooms. It also includes a handheld remote control, an easy window venting installation kit, and a removable filter. As a 3-in-1 unit, it also serves as a fan and dehumidifier. It makes no more than 50 dB of noise.
Coming at number 4.
Amazon Basics 13,000 BTUs. As part of its popular Amazon Basics product line, Amazon makes a portable air conditioner which customers absolutely love. It has earned a solid 4-star rating and features onboard wheels and side handles to help move it from room to room. Hot air is let out through a window using the unit's expandable outtake hose. It comes with a venting kit with ceiling, side panel leaf covers, bracket, and a handheld remote. You also get 3 speeds, 3 cooling settings, and an automatic timer, which gives it versatile cooling capabilities. Ideal for an average size room, up to 550 square feet, this Amazon Basics portable AC unit offers 13,000 BTUs of cooling power. It measures 15.6 by 18.8 by 20.1 inches and weighs about 75 pounds.
At number 3.
Rintuf 12,800 BTUs. This portable air conditioning unit has built-in wheels and 2 handles, which makes it easy to maneuver from room to room. It generates 12,800 BTUs of cooling power, which is enough to keep a 620 square foot space at a comfortable temperature, even on the hottest days, so it's well suited to larger rooms. It maintains a temperature between 61 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The AC unit offers 3 speeds and can also serve as a dehumidifier or a fan. It includes a window installation kit with an exhaust hose, adapter, connector, and a handheld remote. The unit measures 34.2 by 14.82 by 18.34 inches and creates no more than 56 dB of sound. It has a 74 pints per day dehumidifying capacity, so it can help to keep your space fresh and dry, even in the muggiest areas. Its onboard controls and handheld remote are easy to operate.
Number 2 of my list.
Black+Decker 8,000 BTUs. This portable AC unit uses 8,000 BTUs of cooling power to make a room up to 350 square feet far more comfy. The unit serves as an air conditioner, as well as a fan and dehumidifier. It offers simple controls on board, or you can try the included handheld remote, both of which have an LED display. Because this AC unit is on wheels, it's easy to move from room to room. It measures 15.3 by 14 by 24.8 inches, but take note, it weighs 45.8 pounds, so carrying it upstairs is not as easy as moving it between rooms on the same floor. 2 features we particularly like: a slide-out washable filter and 24-hour timer. It comes with an easy-to-install window kit, too. In an average-size room, this AC unit can maintain a temperature between 64 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It generates no more than 52 dB of noise.
And number 1.
Midea Duo MAP 14HS1 TBL, 14,000 BTUs. The Midea Duo portable air conditioner is not only relatively quiet, generating no more than 42 dB of sound, but also mighty, with 14,000 BTUs of cooling power that can cover up to 550 square feet of living space. Control it with a handheld remote, dedicated mobile app, or voice commands. This unit measures 16.73 by 19.53 by 34.48 inches. It uses a dual hose-in-hose design that intakes fresh air and releases exhaust outdoors. The single combo hose allows for balanced air circulation indoors and prevents hot outside air from seeping in through gaps. The unit's design also cools your living space up to 2 times faster than some competing portable AC models. And as an added bonus, the Midea Duo serves as a portable heater, so you can use it in any season.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.